Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple rabbit emoji. Let's start by drawing a couple ovals for the eyes. There's one, and a second one. Alright, let's draw a big pupil on the inside with a big highlight on the upper right. And same with this side. And then right here in the center, let's just draw an oval for the nose. Okay. Draw a line for the lip separation. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to my thicker Sharpie to draw the outline of the head. So from the outside of the one eye, we're just going to draw a curve that goes to above and then over to the other side. Okay, let's draw its cheeks. So from here, we're going to go out all the way to the eye. So we could start from here. Just go out, curve, and start curving it in to the center. Kind of missed my target there, but it's okay. I just extended that line. Let's do the other side. So this is going to go out, and I'm going to start from here, looking at my target to try to meet up, just like that. And actually I'm going to go ahead and make this nose a little bit thicker here with my Sharpie, thicker at the bottom. Next, let's draw the ears. So from the top here, upper left, let's just go up with a big curve. You can make the ears as big as you want, and then curve it back in with a slightly flatter line. Let's give the leading edge some shape with a line just like that. Let's do the other side. From here, go out, curve, and then slightly flatter line maybe, and draw the leading edge. Okay, so let's add some finer details using the thinner Sharpie by adding whiskers. Let's just put 3 on either side. Alright, let's add some shadow lines now. We're just going to draw a line that goes across and over, and maybe a line that goes around the eyes and over to the nose, and a shadow line right here underneath the lip. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just make these lines a little bit thicker by the bottom. And that's pretty much it. That's our simple rabbit emoji. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.